In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize pages in OneNote the easy way, so you can quickly clean up your notes, reorder your pages, and keep everything easier to find. Whether you're managing class notes, work projects, or personal notebooks, learning how to sort and nest pages in OneNote can save you a lot of time and frustration. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple OneNote tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The fastest way to organize your pages is by manually rearranging them in your page list. First, locate your Pages column. Depending on your layout, this may appear on the left side or the right side of the screen. Once you find it, look through the list of pages you want to organize. To move a page, click and hold the page name. Then drag it up or down to the position you want. As you drag, OneNote will show you where the page will land. When it's in the right spot, release the mouse to drop it into place. This is the simplest method when you only need to move a few pages around. For example, you can place your newest notes at the top, move project pages together, or group related lessons in the same order you want to review them. If your page order feels messy, just take a minute to drag and drop the pages into a structure that makes sense for your workflow. Now, if you want to go a step further, OneNote also lets you create nested subpages. This is really useful when you want to keep main topics visible while tucking related pages underneath them. You can create up to 3 levels of nested subpages, which gives you a lot of flexibility for organizing larger notebooks. To make a subpage, right-click the page you want to nest, then choose Make Subpage from the context menu. Once you do that, the page will shift underneath the main page and become part of that section. If you want to create more levels, you can repeat the process for additional pages, building a more detailed hierarchy. This works especially well for things like meeting notes under a project page, chapters under a course topic, or research pages under a larger subject. It keeps your notebook cleaner and makes it easier to collapse or scan through related content without losing structure. If you have a lot of pages and manual dragging starts to feel slow, OneNote also has a built-in sorting menu that can help you organize faster. At the very top of your Pages column, just above the first page name, look for the Sort button. Depending on your version of OneNote, it may appear as an up and down arrow icon or as a label like Date Created. Click the Sort button, and OneNote will show you a drop-down with different sorting options. You can sort pages alphabetically from A to Z or Z to A, which is great when you want page names arranged by topic or title. You can also sort by Date Created, which lets you view the oldest or newest pages first. Another useful option is Date Modified, which moves recently updated pages to the top so you can quickly find the notes you were just working on. That means you can choose the sorting style that fits the way you actually use your notebook. If you prefer a clean alphabetical system, use that. If you want to keep track of recent work, sort by modified date, and if you want pages in the order they were created, Date Created is the easiest choice. A good tip is to combine these methods. Use manual drag and drop for your most important pages, create subpages for related notes, and use sorting when you need a fast reset for a busy notebook. That way, your OneNote setup stays organized without taking too much effort. And that's it. Now you know how to organize pages in OneNote using drag and drop, subpages, and sorting tools. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more OneNote tips, productivity tricks, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.